warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope, dear students, you all enjoy watching my clips. Today I'll show you how to convert your text to speech. It's a lovely, very interactive kind of program, and hope you will enjoy. And few technical things that I want to tell you is you should have a good quality speakers as well as a mic. Then you definitely listen your speech properly. Let me execute the program, or just let me explain you the program first so that you can understand. As usual, you know that what is that in the program you can see that why I am using here TK Inter. It's actually very useful, a kind of GUI interface you can create with the help of TK Inter. Basically, many students make use of drawing pictures and all, geometry type of circles, squares, so many things you can do with the help of TK Enter. So I just make use of it to have a frame in that, and you got a kind of input space where you can just enter your text and then execute it, and just a sort of interface, a small application like you press the button after typing whatever the text you want to type. You can type after that. You can see how the computer can convert your text to speech. You can enjoy doing this. And what are the modules required? What are the libraries you need to import? Is first is TK-Enter, and another one is import PyTTSX3. Guys, this one is very useful for converting text to speech. Basically, it's works like in an offline mode, and you all of you know very well about even in mobiles also we make use of such applications to convert our text to speech and all. We are just searching, browsing something if you want to find, but in that case we make use of instead of this PyTTSX3, there is another module we can make use of it, that is gtts, that is Google text to speech conversion. But what is the disadvantage of it is you have to have what internet for that. I mean only you can do online conversion only in gtts, but whereas here PyTTSX3, the beautiful way of executing your strings. Actually a text is nothing but a sort of words which you define into codes, that is strings only. How big paragraph or even few sentences or entire speech, that you can type it, but it will work in an offline mode. That is the basic difference between gtts and PyTTSX3. Okay, and now see here the you can see that root geometry, and I'm just defining the size of a window, which is 800 by 500, just to have a kind of a window. And you have a button here where you type the text. Here, see, you get the speak, just you press that button, you get your result on the screen. I mean you get the, you able to see, listen that speech, the sound automatically you can see that. But we define here a small function which we call it as talk, and in that we are defining a variable engine. In that we are initializing that PyTTSX3, and then just what we are doing here is a reserve word. Whatever you are saying, whatever you are speaking, what will happen, get is a command, just it will take it, and then this is what will happen, run and wait until unless you just type, press, and what will happen, it will accept your input and then just execute it. And you see here delete 0 dot, and what does it do is that in case of you want to continue, like you want to run again, so whatever the text you type, it has to be erased, right? So that delete function will do that, and simply here whatever you define in the window like root and font, this one in that font style the text will appear, and this is the size, font size, and you are just fixing whatever that you type the sentences or words, it should not move, right? So that's why you fix it here like pad y is equal to 20. You fix it, and the two buttons you create button, and just press on that button, you will get the result. Let me just execute the program. I'll show you just right. You see here you get a beautiful, this is tick enter window, and now I have already saved something in my mouse, and just I'm pressing this text what I have selected before, and then just I press this.
Coronaviruses, COVID, are a large family of viruses that cause illness ranging from the common cold to more severe diseases. A novel coronavirus, nCoV, was identified on January 7, 2020 and was temporarily named 2019 nCoV. It was subsequently named the COVID-19 virus.
Okay, I'll just type that. Goodbye, dear students.
Goodbye, dear students.
Now I hope you understand this. So simple and easy way how you can convert your text to speech in Python. Thank you very much for watching this clip. Thank you.